Rochelle and this is my daughter Tanaya. So we are back with another video for you guys. Tanaya's gonna be rating my clothes again from Pretty Little Things. So this is part 2. We did a video like this already and it seems like you guys really love that video. So obviously we have to do another one. She's gonna be rating my clothes. So everything that I'm showing you guys today is from Pretty Little Things. And I'm gonna put everything in the description bar down below. So she's gonna be rating my stuff from 1 to 10. And you guys can comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go change into something else and I'll be right back. Come on, girl! Ooh, cute, very, this is cute. So bright and vibrant. It looks good with the hair and the makeup. Outfit is cute, cute, cute. So, anything to say about it? All right, so this is a yellow blazer dress. It's a stretchy fabric. When I saw it on the website, I really loved it because of the color, and I love blazers and I love blazer dresses. But I've ordered a blazer dress from Pretty Little Thing before, and when I got it, the fit was perfect, except for it was a little bit short on me. So I decided to go a size bigger, thinking that maybe I'll get more length. Which I did. I got more length with this one. The only thing is that I feel like it's like really big, you know, like it's really big. So if I was gonna wear it out, I think I would pair it with a belt, and I think it looks cute with the, actually no, well, let's see. I think it looks cute with the belt too. I think it'll look better with the belt. And I'm wearing like a crop top also underneath it from Pretty Little Thing because I didn't want my, you know, my boobs out there like that, so. Oh yeah, it looks cute with the belt. Yeah, I think it looks better with the belt. Yeah. I mean, it looks good without it too, but it looks better with the belt. So yeah, this is what it looks like with the belt. I feel like it looks better with the belt because it was looking not so fitted, right? Yeah, but I think it looks good without it too, but I like better with the belt. But yeah, I really like this color. I'm gonna have to wear this soon before summer's like completely over. So yeah, what are we rating this one? I'm going to give it, girl, you better be generous, 8.5 out of 10. It's good, I like it. Yeah. It's just not a 10 for me. Yeah. But it's an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, that's good. I would give it an 8.5 too, only because of the fit. Like I probably should have just stayed with the smaller size. I think this what size did you get? I think this is a size 6. I think this is a size 6. And I usually get 4 from Pretty Little Things, so I should have gotten a 4. But then again, if I got the 4, it would have been way too short. Oh yeah. I think it would have been so then I think this is good. Then you could just wear it with the belt and it looks cute. This girl is taking like 500 years to change. It's a real life problem. I came in like a wrecking ball. Alright, let's see the next outfit up in his house. Ooh. Cute. Fail. Cute. Alright, okay, cute. So this is just a black 2-piece we got going on here. Yeah. Cute. Not too like fancy schmancy like out there, but not too basic. It's like a perfect mix, you know? Very cute. This is just a black spandexy, very stretchy crop top 2-piece. And the pants, I really love the fit on the pants. I think they fit really good. I really like the Pretty Little Thing shapewear. So this is from their shapewear collection. The top, I feel like it's a little bit small, don't you think? Yeah, maybe like a little too short. Yeah. Like to the point where you feel like it's about to like lift up or go down. Yeah. Like I know my mom so well. When I wear crop tops, you guys, I usually prefer them just like right here. Like I just feel like this literally feels like a little sports bra, so I don't know if I'd wear this with the pants. I had this on with the yellow blazer that I was wearing. This is what I was wearing underneath it, and that's fine. But on its own, I just feel like it's a little too short for me. But the pants, I freaking love them. These are like probably one of my favorites. So guys, this is pretty much what the pants look like. Like they fit so good. And the pants are pretty long as well, as you can see. I'm about 5'5.5", so I could still get away with wearing heels with these. Like the fit is really good. So the outfit we love, the black is very nice. The pants are very nice. The top is nice, just a little too short. Yeah, just the top. And it looks very good on my mother, my beautiful mother. What are we going to give this? We'll give it a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10? Okay. 8 out of 10. I would give this a 9.
because I love the pants so freaking much. So I'm giving it a 9. You can give it an 8, but I'm giving this a 9.
My opinion matters more.
Alright. What are you guys gonna give it? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this outfit.
Make sure you study hard. Stay in school, kids. Cause I will. Outfit number 3. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cute. I like the fabric, like the feeling of it. Like a snake reptile kind of pattern.
It's a snake print.
Yeah, snake print, reptile, whatever. Same thing.
You guys, I keep pulling the top up because my bra is showing because of the cut. I really love the cut on the top, except for it's really hard to wear a bra with it. This bra that I'm wearing obviously does not go with it, but I really like it a lot.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
You see what I'm talking about, right? Like,
because it's like a square kind of cut and it like goes deep.
Exactly, so it would definitely show my bra strap. I'd probably have to wear this with like strapless bra, right? A strapless bra. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm wearing the same pants.
And so I think it looks cute together.
Yeah, I really like it with the pants, right? It looks good with the pants. I feel like it looks better than it did with the actual crop top for the pants.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna rate this top?
7.5 out of 10. That's not bad, that's good.
7.5?
No, that's like what really good movies get rated out of. So that's a pretty good rate. That's a good rating.
Good movies get 8 out of 10.
No, a lot of good movies get 7 and up.
You guys, I'm giving this a 9. Because I love it so much. Like, I actually really love it.
Well, you love it. It's on you. Of course you're gonna be biased.
I don't like everything I wear. I just love this top a lot. I think it's so cute. I mean, yeah, this part's a little big, but girl, I can take that in.
Girl, we're ready to see the next outfit. Ooh, cute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at you.
This is something you would wear.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so this is an oversized shirt. I actually wore this recently, but I wore them with jeans. But I think
it looks nicer without jeans.
It looks good with jeans too.
I mean,
but I think it looks good with jeans. I wore them with jeans. I'm gonna put on a pair of jeans so you guys can see what it looks like. And it is an oversized. And I got it a size, I think I got this in a size 6 or 8. So it is a little bit big. But
yeah,
that's the look I was going for.
Yeah,
I was going for that. I really wanted it to be really big. I was thinking if I get it big, then I could wear it as a dress with some boots on, because it'll look really cute with some boots, right? Or if I wear it with jeans, it'll look really cute and baggy. But I really love it. I don't even know if my camera is doing this justice right now.
Oh, that's cute too. Yeah, that's really cute.
You guys, so this is what it looks like with jeans.
Yeah, it looks cute. I like it.
And we're wearing matching jeans, obviously.
Yo, twinsies! It could be like a fall outfit, and then if like it can also work as a summer outfit, like just a top and shorts.
Well, not summer, because the fabric is thick. So
really?
Yeah.
Maybe like on a summer cool day, like when it's really windy.
Like at nighttime.
Yeah.
During the daytime when it's like hot as fire outside. But yeah. Because it's a really thick fabric. It feels great. I love it. I think it's like
it looks so good with like boots. Yeah.
I actually want to do a makeup look just for this shirt. Because I really like it a lot. And it just screams fall. When I wore this, I actually wore it with Timberlands. So it looked really cute. But yeah. So what are we going to be rating this shirt?
We will give it a 9 out of 10.
Wow. You guys, I finally got a 9. Okay. She's getting generous. So guys, this is just another way I could wear this.
It is so cute. We already technically rated it. This will get a 10 out of 10 from me. Woo! Finally, a 10 out of 10.
Did we just say that? Yes! Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's just so many different ways you can wear this. Like, this is so cute. I actually really love this. Like, I love this.
Oh, misty eye of the mountain below, keep careful watch of my brother's souls. And should the sky be filled with fire and gold, keep watching over during the sun. Let's see the next outfit. Hey. Ooh, girl, cute. I would wear that. Because it's very like basic, but not like that. Oh, that's so basic. Cute basic, you know. Toronto.
Yeah, we live in Toronto.
Wear it loud and proud, people.
No, you're loud and proud. I'm not not so loud. I'm more quiet. Tanaya's loud. How did I give birth to such a loud child? I don't know, because I'm actually really shy and really quiet.
I'm really shy. What are you talking about? I'm shy around new people.
I'm shy around new people too, though.
Exactly.
Yeah, and then when I get to know them, it's
she's
like,
loud.
No, I'm not loud.
Yes,
You're loud.
she is. She is very loud.
No.
And she's just pairing it with the cute biker shorts, also from Pretty Little Thing.
So these biker shorts are in the last video. They were in the last video.
Because you tried them on with the jeans jacket.
Exactly. So I just wanted to show you guys the t-shirt. It's very plain, it's very simple. I love the Pretty Little Thing t-shirts because they're like oversized, and I like being comfy. I like dressing really comfy, to be honest with you. And obviously when I saw this shirt and it says Toronto,
I just have to have it.
I have to get it. I have to get it. And this one is in a size medium. I made sure I got a medium.
Oh wow, it's a medium?
Yeah,
it's big. It's cute and big.
Yeah, because I want to make sure that it fits, like, you know, really big and loose. I like it. This is something Tanaya would wear. This is like her style. Yeah. I'm just borrowing her style right now.
It's very cute. Not too basic, but not too basic. Like,
stop calling my outfit basic.
No, it's not basic like that. It's like the cute kind of basic. You know what I mean?
What are we rating this outfit?
We will give it 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, because it's very casual. It's casual. It's casual. It's cute. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah.
This is outfit number 6. Oh, girl, you. Looking all cute. Yes, girl. Yes, yes, yes. Let's. I'm like the biggest hype person for my mother. I will hype her up. Yes.
No, seriously, guys, she be hyping me up even when I feel like down and I feel like
because she's a goddess. Like,
I have my days where I'm like, oh, I don't feel so good today, but Tanaya be hyping me up all the time.
Okay, anyways, this is very cute, very cute. The pants look a little big.
Yeah, they are a little big.
Yeah, I can tell, but it looks really cute, and it looks cute with like a black top. I feel like it looks better with a black top than it would with like a matching color top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has a matching top on the Pretty Little Thing website though, but I wasn't able to get my size. And the pants, I got them a little bit too big, you guys. Sometimes the UK size can be a little confusing for me on the side, but they do have a size in chart, so you have to make sure that you pay attention to the size in chart. So you'll see the US size chart. So I think these are about a size 8. Yeah, these are a size 8, and I needed a size 4.
But you can take them in, right?
Yeah, I can take them in. By the way, you guys, I actually own a sewing machine. I will take my stuff in when I need to take them in myself. They're just a little bit big around the waist and like right here in the back. They're very, very comfortable, by the way. Like really comfortable, and these are from the shapewear collection. They feel good, but I just gotta take them in just a little bit because a little bit too much space going on here.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna rate this one?
Well, the pants are very cute, and like I think the outfit together is very cute. The pants are just a little too big, but that's not like, you know, that's not a big problem. Like nothing we can't fix. But I will give it a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I could live with a 7. Only because I love the outfit. I just feel like I ordered the wrong size in the pants. If I had the right size, I'd be a lot happier with the fit and everything. But yeah.
777. Let's go! Oh, cute. Reminds me of like a business lady.
I know. Look like I'm going,
but it's cute,
right? So you guys, I really love this one. I don't know where I'm going. I'm probably gonna go to an event or something in it, but I really like it.
Like it looks cute, like for an event,
yeah.
Like, you know, it has like a little tie here, you know.
Okay, guys. So there's like this little gold thing right here, and the little these things we're supposed to go through it. I don't like it like that. It looks weird on the body.
Yeah, it probably looks better like
this. It looks a lot better like this. I can show you guys what it looks like.
Oh, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I don't think it looks like for you.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It just doesn't fit me very well. So I like it the other way. Okay, so what are we gonna rate this outfit?
You will give it a... Do a little spin for me. Do a little spin.
Oh, do a little spin.
We will rate it.
Okay, Tanaya.
7.8 out of 10.
7.8?
Yes.
I would have
given
this
basically
an 8.
Like an 8.
Guys, I would have given this an 8.
It's basically an 8 if you
I would give this an 8. Like, I love this. I think it's
just
so
round it and you got yourself an 8.
This is an 8, okay? Don't even listen to her. Fabric feels so good too. It's such good quality fabric. I'm so here for this. Like,
I feel like I may have lost count. But it's okay. Let's go, girl. We ready. Hey, we ready. We ready. Ooh! Girl! So sexy. Girl!
show, and I apologize for that. When I actually do wear this out, that won't be happening, but
girl,
yeah.
This is cute.
Oh, extra.
Girl.
Okay, guys, so this dress, it's very stretchy, very stretchy. I really like it, but it's very like low cut, as you can see. That's why I have to pull it up. Like if I wear this, I don't think I can wear a bra with it, or I just have to wear some kind of special bra. So the dress, it's very stretchy. It's spandex. Also got this in the Pretty Little Things shape collection as well.
Well, I mean, it's a little too low.
And
like it keeps like, you know, falling down, but it's really nice.
It's nice. It's just a little low on me.
8 out of 10.
We're gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, I can live with that. I can live with that.
All right, we ready to see the next outfit up in here.
Every time I come down, I walk right into the wall. How are you feeling about this one?
It's I mean, I don't like turtlenecks personally. I never like turtlenecks. I'm not a fan of turtlenecks. It's very nice. The fabric is nice.
It's really spandex. It's really
stretchy,
guys. Okay, so guys, so this is the side. Like, there's a lot of side boob action going on here. So yeah, I really love it. It stretches, and I am wearing a belt with it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like without a belt. Like, it still looks pretty nice, but
yeah,
I
think I like it better with the. It looks too plain without it.
I really love the fabric. Like, it feels so
soft.
and
it's touching it, it feels nice. It feels soft.
And I will say that it's a little bit tight on the knee area, but
I mean, well, when you walk, it'll go up and then it'll
it'll go up. Yeah, it'll go up when you're walking. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the bottom. And this is the bottom of the dress. Like, I can't wait to wear this. Like, I really love it. The fit is great.
I'm not a fan of turtlenecks. Not at all.
But I'm a fan of turtlenecks. I love turtlenecks.
Like, I think, I mean, the dress, it's like, it's cute. It's definitely my mom's style, but like, in my opinion, it's not like something that like appeals to my eye. I'm not saying that like it disgusts my eye. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just not like attracted to it.
Because she likes the stuff that she can steal from my closet.
So we're gonna give it, I don't want to be mean. I'm not gonna be mean. It's just because the turtleneck. That's the one thing I don't like. But like, I feel like if it didn't have the turtleneck, I still wouldn't like the dress.
I feel like the turtleneck makes the dress.
Yeah, it makes the dress, but like, I don't like turtlenecks.
It's like it's not like a boring turtleneck. It like, it has, you know, it has something going on. Like,
I don't like turtlenecks.
I'm in the business video. Anyways, me like it.
We will give it, I'm in between a 6.5 to 7. Only because I don't like turtlenecks.
A 6.5?
I despise turtlenecks.
Are you mad? Girl, bye. This is an 8. This dress is an 8, you guys. At least 8.5. Maybe a 9. Like, I love it so much. You're bugging. Good.
Okay,
like,
I'm gonna do it like this. The fabric is nice, yes.
Amazing. The quality
the shape,
is good.
Nice, yeah. Belt looks nice with it. Turtleneck, no. She looks good in it. We'll give it a 7 out of 10.
7.
Yeah, that's the best you're getting out of me.
Stingy. You guys let me know what you think of the dress. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys give us a big thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video very sorry, my bad. We'll see you guys in another video very soon. Yeah, we'll see you guys in another video very soon.
And let us know what your favorite outfit was.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you. Bye.
Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you to turn this around. All I want is a taste that your lips allow. Mama, give me love.